Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to manage your opacity in DaVinci Resolve 19. So it's super simple. We're going to bring a clip into the timeline and we're going to be on the edit page. Make sure you're on the edit page. And now with the clip selected, we're going to go up to the top right, click on inspector, and then continue going down until you find composite, right? So we have composite on, and now what we can do is decrease the opacity like that. So you'll be able to choose what opacity you want with this little gauge. And if you want to, let's say add a keyframe to it, it's super simple. What you can do is leave the opacity where you want it to start. So let's say we want it to start completely at 0. Turn on that keyframe, bring this over here, and then bring the opacity up all the way. And then the keyframe automatically adds. And look at this cool animation we just created. Amazing. Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.